Everyone. Today we are going to learn about maths of class 5th. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School.
Here, after knowing about the profit and loss, we are going to learn about how to finding a cost price and selling price. Okay, now you already know what is profit and what is loss. So according to that, you have to find what is cost price and what is selling price. How to find these two things. Okay, so now here two examples are given. First one is to find the cost price. Okay, whenever you have to find cost price, so what you have to do, you have to first read the question. Rakul from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, sold a puppet for rupees 315 at a loss. What she had? Loss of rupees 23. What was the cost of the puppet? Rakul from Jodhpur, Rajasthan sold a puppet. Okay, she sold a puppet, but she lost rupees 23. So what was the cost of puppet? So first we have to here justify that what is selling price, what is loss. Okay, so sold means selling price. So what is the selling price? It is 315. We have to write selling price, it is rupees 315. And what is the loss? Rupees 23. And whenever loss is given, okay, so this is for loss, so use model B. So you can use this model also. See, okay, cost price we don't know, we have to find it. Selling price is this and loss is this. So what we did for finding cost price, of course we have to plus these two numbers. Okay, so add to find cost price. So we have to add 315 plus 23. Selling price plus loss is equal to cost price. This is the formula of this. Okay, you have to learn. Selling price plus loss is equal to cost price. So whenever loss is given, you have to add the selling price and loss. So you got the cost price. Okay, so at the end, what is the answer? The cost of the puppet was rupees 338. Understood? And if you have any doubt, so you can check your answer also, that cost price minus selling price, it is loss. Whenever cost price is more than the selling price, so you always get a loss. Okay, same way here second example is also given. Here also you have to find a cost price. Selling price you have to write profit. Now see, this is about loss and this is about profit. Now here we will read the question first. Ali makes carpets on his loom at home in Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Mirzapur is coming in Uttar Pradesh. He made a profit of rupees 281 on a carpet he sold for rupees 5389. What was the cost of the carpet? First you have to write selling price, but here he got a profit, so we will write in the model. See, selling price is given, profit is given, and cost price we have to find it. So whenever profit is given, you have to minus from the selling price. Okay, loss is given, so you have to add these two numbers, and the profit is given, you have to find the difference, you have to minus these numbers. So 5389 minus 281. So your cost price is 5108. At the end you have to check your answer. Selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So 5389 minus 5108. Selling price is greater than cost price, so he got a profit. Last answer is the cost price of the carpet was 5108. This way you have to find a cost price. Whenever loss is given, you have to add the numbers, and whenever profit is given, you have to minus the number. Now we will find the selling price. Now here also two examples are given. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for carved walnut tree furniture. Artisans carve this at home. A tourist bought a walnut table at rupees. Bought means buying. It is a cost price 21,380. He sold it at a profit. Can you see here? There is no selling prices given. This is directly given a profit. How many profit he got? Rupees 1500, or you can say 1500. When he went back, what price did he sell the table at? So here we are going to find a selling price. Now cost price is 21,380. Profit is 1,500. Selling price we have to find it. So whenever cost price and profit is given, you have to add these two numbers, so you got the selling price. Okay, totally different from the cost price. If we have to find a selling price, so you have to add the cost price and profit, so you got a selling price. Okay, 21,380 plus 1500, so your answer is 22,880. Now you have to check your answer, that selling price minus cost price. Whenever selling price is greater than the cost price, you always got the profit. Okay, if profit is given, you have to add. But what you have to add? Why you have to add? Find the selling price. Now in second question, here the loss is given. Can you see? Example is given: a handmade silk mirror work wall hanging from Gujarat cost Uma rupees 8,350. She sold it after a few months for rupees 550 less. Less means she got a loss. Then what she had paid for it? What price did she sell it for? So here cost price is 8,350. What is the loss? 550. Selling price. Now again, whenever loss is given, so what you have to do? Minus. Greater from greater number, you have to minus the loss. So cost price minus loss, so you got a selling price. So 8,350 minus 550, so answer is 7,800. At the end you have to check your answer also, that you are right or wrong. So cost price, what you got? Cost price 8,350. Selling price 7,800. What is the loss? 550. This way you have to write the last answer. Uma sold the wall hanging for rupees 7,800.